Welcome back to our channel and hold on to your seats. The legendary Entenga royal drums are about to roar. Mr. Stephen Rangezi, the visionary of Ndere Cultural Centre, is here to take us straight into their magic. These drums are far more than instruments for centuries. They have celebrated kings, marked victories, announced royal ceremonies, and even carried messages across the kingdom. The Entenga Ensemble consists of a set of drums of varying sizes and pitches, tuned to a pentatonic scale. The drums are played with a curved drumstick called an Entenga. Each beat tells a story, preserves history, and connects us to Uganda's royal heritage. So stay with us, feel the energy, and let Mr. Rangezi guide you through the history and unforgettable majesty of Entenga.
These drums, called Entenga, are very ancient and are supposed to be played in front of kings, queens, princes, and princesses to remind everybody that no matter how powerful you may be, you alone cannot manage life. You need other people. That's why someone plays a section and hands the music to another one, and sometimes they play on the same drum but never hit, never knock one another.
Wow, those beats. Can you still feel the rhythm? Don't go anywhere. Next, we are heading west to show you some mind-blowing traditional dances from Uganda's western region. Hit that subscribe button and let the adventure continue.